Good evening, YouTubers. I hope you didn't get your mother her very own grinding stone and tell her how useful it would be. That's like buying your wife a vacuum cleaner for Christmas. She'll tell you a word or two about suction. Ooh, look at this. Pretty in plastic. I guess I'll have to roll it out. Got a box full of parts. That's not a good sign. Ooh, ah. Whoa. Going up. Maybe your mom would be happy with that. That's very meaty. Very meaty bench grinder. I think I'm gonna have to trash this stand. That clip ain't holding. What happens when you buy stuff at the thrift store? Somebody probably wore that stand out making their own home porn movies. I hate these little wire ties. Made in China. The motor is definitely heavy. All this other stuff is plastic, including the base. I'm going to plug it in and see if it'll blow my fuse. I have a plug conveniently located. I have to put more in this garage. Oh, it takes a while to get up to speed. These are all the attachments. And the instruction booklet. It's always a good idea to read that. Even if you think you know it all, you don't know it all. And I'm going to call it a day. I've done enough work today. God bless the YouTubers. And don't buy your mother a bench grinder, for crying out loud. Unless she's a blacksmith.